Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. After he took oath for third consecutive time, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday began his day in office by authorizing the release of 17th installment of PM Kisan Nidhi. The scheme will benefit 9.3 crore farmers and distribute around 20,000 crore after signing the file at his office in South Block. Sharing the update on social media, Prime Minister said that our government is fully committed to Kisan Kalyan. It is therefore fitting that the first file signed on taking charge is related to farmer welfare. We want to keep working even more for the farmers and the agriculture sector in the times to come. While reacting to this, Sunil Jakhar, the state president for the Bharatiya Janata Party, lauded the move, and on his social media post, he shared that in the very first decision of the new cabinet, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has approved the release of next installment of the PM Kisan Nidhi. Kudos to the PM for this decision taken for the welfare of our farmers. Our government is committed to safeguard the interest of our Andatas. This is one of the key initiatives undertaken by the Bharatiya Janata Party-led government, especially in the context with the Punjab's political landscape that largely relies on the farmers' sentiments and their welfare. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's previous 2 terms as Prime Minister have been marked by several key initiatives, including the Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Housing for All, Pradhan Mantri Shram Yojana and Ujjwala Yojana, PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, Udaan and Make in India programs. A meeting of Union Cabinet is likely to be placed at 5 p.m. today. On his arrival at office at South Block, he was greeted with applause by the PMO staff who lined up to greet him. PM Narendra Modi took oath as Prime Minister of India for his third successive term on Sunday at a grand ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan. President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath to the office of Narendra Modi, followed by members of his team of ministers. Apart from his 2 terms as Prime Minister, beginning in 2014, Narendra Modi has the distinction of being the longest-serving Chief Minister of Gujarat, with his term spanning from October 2001 to May 2014. Several leaders and state heads of the neighborhood region and Indian Ocean region were invited to PM Modi's swearing-in ceremony as a distinguished guest, a testament to India's neighborhood first policy. He began his first term in office in 2014 in the presence of all heads of state of SAARC nations. He invited BIMSTEC leaders at the start of the second term in 2019, along with Prime Minister, 30 cabinet ministers, 36 ministers of states and 5 ministers of state independent charge from the BJP and its allies also took oath at the ceremonial event held at Rashtrapati Bhavan on Sunday. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.